Do you find yourself comparing your baby's adorable cheeks with those of other babies at the grocery store, outside the pediatrician's office, or on parenting magazine covers? Are you worried if your baby is getting enough to eat and how to help them gain weight? You're not alone. Many parents share these concerns. Remember, it's normal for a newborn to lose some weight in the first few days. A formula-fed baby typically loses about 3 to 4% of their birth weight, while a breastfeed baby loses about 6 to 7%. By the end of 2 weeks, most babies regain this weight, and by their first birthday, they often triple their birth weight. Impressive growth. But if you're still worried about your baby's weight gain, what can you do? Before starting, we encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Does your baby need to gain weight? If you think your baby isn't gaining enough weight, the first step is to consult your pediatrician and possibly a board-certified lactation consultant. They can chart your baby's growth using the World Health Organization's revised growth charts, which reflect the growth patterns of breastfeed babies. These charts are recommended by the CDC for ages 0 to 2 years and are widely used by pediatricians. Most likely, they'll reassure you that your baby is unique but healthy, following their own growth curve. Weight gain and feeding expectations for your baby's first year. 0 to 3 months. Growth expectations. From birth to 3 months, your baby will grow about a half to 1 inch, 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters, per month and gain 5 to 7 ounces, 140 to 200 grams, per week. This rapid growth explains why newborn onesies don't last long. Feeding expectations. Breastfeed babies typically feed every 2 to 3 hours, totaling 8 to 12 times in 24 hours. Formula-fed babies usually consume 1 to 2 ounces of formula every 2 to 3 hours, with the intervals lengthening as their stomachs grow. 3 to 7 months. Growth expectations. By 3 months, weight gain slows to about 4 ounces, 110 grams, per week. At around 5 months, most babies have doubled their birth weight. Feeding expectations. While some babies show interest in solid food around 4 months, it's best to wait until 6 months. Starting with meat can be beneficial. 7 to 12 months. Growth expectations. Your baby will gain about 3 to 5 ounces, 85 to 140 grams, per week, or roughly 2 pounds, 900 grams, per month. By their first birthday, they will likely have tripled their birth weight. Feeding expectations. Your baby can join family meals and enjoy finger foods. Ensure they continue to get most of their calories from breast milk or formula. How can you increase your baby's weight? If your baby struggles with eating, seek help from your pediatrician. Issues like difficulty swallowing, vomiting, food allergies, reflux, or diarrhea could hinder weight gain. If your baby's pediatrician is comfortable with their current weight gain, no changes are needed. Unnecessary weight gain can lead to unhealthy eating habits and weight issues later. For breastfeeding. To increase weight gain through breastfeeding, practice breastfeeding. it is a learned skill. Consult a lactation counselor for help with latching or feeding issues. Boost milk supply, keep your baby close, nurse frequently, and rest. More feeding stimulates more milk production. For formula feeding. To improve weight gain through formula feeding. Change formula. If your baby shows sensitivity or allergy to their current formula, consult your pediatrician about trying a different brand or donor milk. Mix formula correctly. Follow the instructions for the right balance of water and powder to ensure adequate calories. Consult your provider before adding anything to the formula, like rice cereal. Talk to your pediatrician. For solid foods. To increase weight gain with solids. Add healthy fats. Olive oil and avocado are nutritious and calorie-dense. Opt for high-calorie meats. Chicken legs and ground turkey are good options. Offer full-fat dairy. Add grated cheese to meals and choose full-fat yogurts. Choose high-calorie fruits. Bananas, pears, and avocados are better than apples and oranges. Tips for maintaining a healthy weight for your baby. Vitamins and supplements. Breastfeed babies might need iron supplements from 4 months. Formula-fed babies usually get enough iron from formula. Mealtime schedules. Feed your baby when they're hungry. Establish set mealtimes and snacks after 6 months. Mealtime togetherness. Eating as a family encourages more and varied eating. Mealtime fun. Make eating enjoyable with outdoor meals, variety, and new foods. You're providing the foundation for your child's healthy growth. Take care of yourself too, as your good habits will influence your child. Well done, you're setting your child up for a healthy future. Subscribing to our channel is the best way to stay up to date on our latest content and receive notifications when new videos are posted.